friends, welcome to Unacademy, which is the largest online education platform for GATE Computer Science and IT. Myself, Malisham Devasani. Here I'm going to talk about the very important session for those people who have started GATE preparation and they are in dilemma whether they should continue for GATE 2021 exam or should they prepare again for GATE exam. And that is what the heading is also. And those people who wanted to prepare, because you have more than 2 months of time, maybe you can succeed the GATE exam. That's even though you have less chances, but still the people have been doing that from many years. That is, prepare GATE exam now. When you have the time, when you are not able to do, how can you do when I give more time? Right? You have a time now, and that time you must utilize well. In case if you don't have that push right now, maybe you will not get that kind of push again in the future. So that's what the heading also, prepare GATE exam now, or you may never get the chance or time to do it again. Right. So how many of you are preparing GATE? Then there is no look back. But those people who are preparing but still they have a doubt, are they preparing well or not? So don't think about it, and you must continue preparation. You must prepare GATE exam now, because this time will be going to be a test for you, and sometimes 2 months is equal to even 2 years. How to utilize the 2 months is going to affect the coming year too. Okay, let me start with self-introduction, guys. So I have completed MTech from IIT Bombay. Then you can follow my classes on Unacademy. That is unacademy.com/DevaGateCSE, and CTOC Compile Design Algorithms are my favorite courses on Unacademy. So you can follow me if you are interested for that any course. And why do you require to take the subscription plus or Iconic? Yes, those people who are interested to crack the GATE exam and they have the time for 1 or 2 years, then definitely the Unacademy is recommended, because we are there to help you through the various courses. And you will have the courses like practice courses and regular courses, and you will have revision courses and practicing GATE questions and doubt clearing courses. All this will help you, and including test series. Test series is also present for Plus and Iconic subscription people, and all this are going to be very beneficial for you. And mainly we take live classes. That is more beneficial than anything, because you can ask doubts interactively, and so that the most of the people who are asking the doubt also going to help for your doubt, and which is really beneficial, the Plus courses. And apart from that, Iconic is more beneficial than Plus. If you have no guide, you are looking for a guide and you are looking for a separate material than what we give in courses, and definitely Iconic is going to be a very important for you guys. The difference between these two, definitely payments, that prices. The for Plus, when you look at the subscription plan, 1 year, 1.5 year, 2 years, you can use Deva Live or Deva 10, and 27,225 for 1 year, 1.5 year 34,650, and 39,600 for 2 years. And Iconic, you have more benefits, so the price is also similar to that, and you have 45,225, 66,600. And in case if you have any doubt, you can contact me anytime. I will help you what is suitable for you, and how we can guide you, and how our courses will help you, and why do you require to join Unacademy. All the benefits I'm going to discuss with you, no doubt. And you have various channels. Those people who are learning from us, you can also share other YouTube channels with your friends. And this is our Telegram channel. You can share with your friends. And this is very short video, and so that let me start quickly. What makes you fail in GATE exam? What makes you fail in GATE exam? Why the people stop preparing for GATE exam? First thing is, your goal is not clear. Because what are you doing basically? Are you preparing for GATE? Are you just learning something which you are not kept any goal? So first thing is, you must have a goal clearly. Yes, I want to crack the GATE at any moment or at any cost. Then definitely your goal is set. That is clear goal. What do you want to do? Do you want to prepare for job? Give 100% for your goal. In case you are not able to achieve, then you can rethink about your goal. But You must have a determined goal to begin this preparation. Not knowing about the GATE exam, blindly preparing about exam like a semester exam is not going to work, right? You must look at the competition. You must look at how the people worked harder to understand, to crack the GATE exam, and that's what you should know about GATE exam. Always you have the previous year GATE questions to understand the level of GATE exam. Not setting a timetable. Yes, while preparing 12 subjects, without timetable, impossible to prepare. You must have awareness. What are you doing? How do you want to prepare? How do you want to complete? And how do you want to practice? How do you want to revise? And all these things should have been a timetable. You must plan a timetable. If you don't have timetable, definitely there is going to be disturbance to you. You don't know what you will do, and you don't know what are you doing, and you don't know when will you complete. So many problems are going to happen as per this timetable. You must have at least tentative timetable while preparing, and not making any short notes. Obviously you can't open every time video, you can't open every time the long notes that you have 100 to 200 pages for every subject. Difficult to cope up with 12 subjects. So make a short notes where you will have important points, or you have the points that you are not able to follow, you are feeling difficult. So you must put in a short notes to understand. And not focusing on basics. Some people, they don't focus basics. They always wanted to solve the harder problems. They always wanted to solve the practice some new problems. But in that case, without basics, do whatever. Every time you look at a question, you will see some new concept from that. You can't learn every time you study that, you practice that questions, right? You must have good basics before, minimum basics you require, and no proper study plan. Study plan that contains for 12 subjects, study plan contains for the revision, study plan contains for the practicing questions, study plan should contain for how to give the test series, when to give the test series, and a study plan should have everything that you must put into a proper schedule. And no proper material that you don't know, you are planning, you are looking at blindly YouTube. If you want to learn theory of computation, you are searching every video on YouTube, you are searching every material on Google, you are looking for every institute material. That doesn't work basically. Here it doesn't matter how many free materials we have. Here it matters what do you believe and which one you want to prepare. And that makes the strength in you, that makes the belief that you must believe whatever you do, and take that choice and go further. Guys, you believe me or not, if you believe something, that even though it's worst, that can make you best when you believe it. So that is what, while choosing the material, choose the best, so that you will never look back. Even though you fail, that you will understand the reason is you, not the material. Yes, not enough practice. Yes, you require practice, but not just a practice. You must have the concepts first. When you are ready with your concepts, you must have a good practice to have a revision on what you have studied. Not knowing the importance of time. Some people, they spend days for a single question, because they look, for them it looks fun, because they wanted to solve the questions. They wanted to solve the questions where nobody does it. So that's not the importance for the GATE exam, right? These are the reasons why people fail in GATE exam, because they are not having awareness how to prepare for the GATE. And I believe that if you are looking for preparing GATE exam, yes, this is the right time. Whenever you are ready, whenever you feel, that is the right time to prepare GATE exam. And you should never look back in your preparation, and you should never doubt your preparation. Remember that. And some tips regarding preparation. And some people are not having the idea basically, how to get self motivated. So you study the GATE success stories, how the people have been cracked the exam, and look at their preparation style, look at your preparation style. Are you able to follow them, or do you have any better strategy than them? And then you will succeed, no doubt. And when you are not reading the GATE success stories, basically you are lacking to prepare for GATE exam, because you don't know how to prepare. Then you must look at others, how they have achieved, but never look at the people they have not achieved the GATE exam. Remember that they have not achieved the GATE rank. That means you can't take the suggestions from them unless they have extraordinary skills. Remember that. Read GATE success stories rather than GATE failures. GATE failures also GATE success stories. When they crack the GATE, they also have some failures. Some people might be prepared 3 years gate, but they realized why they failed 2 years and why did they succeeded in the last attempt, third attempt. So read that stories, and so that you can avoid the same mistakes that they have done in the past 2 years, right? So remember that you must read success stories along with failure stories. Don't just read failure story, don't follow them. Always you must know it, learn from failures. Even we fail every day. We fail every day, but we also get succeed sometime. Failures happens many times rather than success. And don't look at the failure and if you are thinking about only failure, the success you are sending away from you. Remember that those people who have succeeded, they must have been failed somewhere, some point of time. So failure is the beginning step for succeeding. So if you want to success, you must fail or you may fail. Remember that. Sometimes when you fail it, look at how can you get success. So avoid to learn something that you are lacking. So I want you to think about those people who are failing. Always they are reaching one step in advance or one step further to get the success. So the success comes by step. That cannot be achieved in single night or single day or single month. Remember that if you want to crack the exams like GATE, you must have been worked for hundreds of hours or thousands of hours to succeed. So that makes you the beauty in preparation. Those people who have achieved the GATE rank, ask them how many hours they have spent to crack the GATE exam. Thousands of hours minimum. That makes the beauty of the preparation. When you give enough time to crack the exam, then you will understand the value of that time. Those people who are not giving the time, they wanted to crack the GATE, impossible for you. Those people who wanted to crack the exam within just 1 month without giving time, but if you are giving more time and even 1 month also, you may crack the GATE exam. God knows that. But give the best when you have the less time. Give the best when you have the less time. Even you have the more time, never procrastinate. Remember that. Eliminate negative thoughts. Eliminate negative thoughts in your preparation. While preparing the GATE exam, always keep positive thoughts, have a positive energy, have the positive mind set up, and look at the positive people that they are supporting you. Never look at the people who are opposing you. Never look at them, because some people say our GATE exam is not for you. Then don't listen to them. And somebody helping you. So GATE exam should be prepared this way, and listen to them because you wanted to crack the GATE exam, right? Learn your subjects well. Every subject is like, you don't know the question comes from which subject, how many questions, right? The past 30 years only talks about the average weightage, but actual next coming year GATE exam, anything can happen. Previously they were asking 3 marks, now they can ask even 10 marks. So sometimes it will vary, it may cost you. So you should be ready with every subject, and don't ignore any subject, any topic, and focus, no doubt. Practice more, which you are asked many times, but also practice every topic and revise every concept and well prepared every topic from every subject. And when you are preparing continuously, so there is a chance of deviation in the preparation. What you do, take regular breaks. You must know the balancing strategy, how to relax and how to take the breaks, right? So when somebody preparing continuously 5 hours, 10 hours, definitely one day you will stop preparing. Remember, you can't prepare for a long time. So prepare 2 or 3 hours continuously, worst case, and take a break, and then after 10 to 15 minutes of break, come back to the normal energy and take half an hour or 15 minutes break, then start doing something with fresh energy. And you must revise a lot. Those people who are preparing for GATE, they don't know. Completing the subject, they assume it is enough. No. Apart from completing, the revision and practice should be done n number of times. Some people does ask them, those people who are not able to remember the concept, they are not able to remember the approaches, then they might have been done even 10, 20 times the same preparation again and again. So practicing, guys, first time when you are practicing and revising, it may take, let's say, you have studied 100 hours one subject. Next time when you practice, it might take 50 hours again. And next time you practice again, it may take 30 hours. Next time 20 hours. Next time 10 hours. Then it makes the speed in preparation too. And that also helps you to remember so many things, because you are doing again and again. It increases the performance basically. And take advice always from an experienced person. Experienced persons always have some struggles, and they know how to achieve that because they failed and they succeeded to get that. and they whatever they say, basically their experience. And if you look at 10 to 20 people's experience, your synchronization maybe happen with 1 or 2 people, then you can listen to them, and because whatever they suggest, and maybe you are facing the same thing in your preparation, so that might help you. So always take the suggestions from 1 or more people, and to understand how you can prepare for exam, right? You no need to follow others, but at least by looking at others you will know what is your strategy. Never try to procrastinate the things. And if you are really busy and today you are not able to do as per your plan, you can do tomorrow, no, not a problem, even though it is not there in your plan. But intentionally you are procrastinating, even though you have time now, you don't want to prepare because of just like that, right? Don't do such things. And you have time, and when you don't have time to prepare, then you will face the issues. But when you have enough time, then every minute, every hour that you use is going to count in your preparation. Okay, these are my tips for this is a time for preparing gate. And please don't postpone your preparation. Some people, yeah, I have prepared, I've been preparing from 6 months, but still it's not completed. And sometimes, guys, that things that you have not done in 6 months, you may do even 1 month, because of the exam is in front of you and you have the time 2 months. Maybe now you may increase the speed, now you may have energy, now you will be boosted, so you might doing wonders, might be doing wonders. So please don't deviate from your preparation, and have beautiful thoughts, and have a positive energy, and fight for what you wanted it. And this is the time to prepare for your exam. So I hope the my tips are going to help you, because I am here to help the students, I am here to guide the students. As long as I am coming to the life, as long as I am teaching to somebody, I always look at the future of the student, because in my life I have wasted so many years, and without knowing anything, I really do not know the whole world how they look at us. But when you fail, they look at different way. When you succeed, they look at different way. So this is how the world is in front of you. In this world, if you want to survive, you must achieve something, and you must continue that. Guys, have a positive thought in you that you can do it. When you are not able to do, I'll come again, I will guide you. Even though you don't crack the gate exam, we have beautiful things in the world. But when you have the time, start doing well, and prepare well, and revise well, and practice well. We are with you, and will bring very good sessions on YouTube, on Unacademy. We will make you succeed at any cost, and follow us. We will make you preparation. Yes. And guys, thank you so much who are attending this session. And any doubts that I'm not going to take now, I will definitely take some point. But please keep discussing with us, and keep posting, keep commenting, and keep liking our sessions, and keep sharing our videos with your friends, and subscribe to our channel if you have not yet done. Thank you so much. All the best for your gate preparation. See you.